My name is Xinyu Zhu. I'm from Shanghai, China. You can call me Zhu. I did my bachelor about architecture design, and then I worked as an architect for a few years and finished some different projects there in China. And then I found the challenges around me. It's not design, it's not the engineering process, it's more about business. And Denmark came to me because first of all, it has like my favorite design styles. They have easy and cozy culture, and they have the less is more for design principles, I would say. And also for the business part, Denmark is kind of small country, but it has several global business. And I want to know how Danish people do business, how the programs are taught in Denmark, so I came here to learn. So the program is 2 years. So I'm now doing my master thesis, so it's last semester. It's at 1 year and a half now. We are led by Peter Lindgren. He taught us about his business model, his business ecosystem, and this is very fascinating for me. So Peter asked me, can you do a logo for us? Okay, I did that before, so I take that. It's very challenging, but it's very interesting. The logo is the word came from logic, so I believe the logo should have logic behind. So I need to set up some principles for the logo for Greenbizz. I hope that when people have the first look at the logo and it has some like basic idea of what the logo might mean behind it. So I use the color green. Greenbizz is a project here in CGC. They help business to become green because the global environmental problems and because most of the business are not so green right now. So this project help those business to, for example, reduce their emissions to become more green in the world. Green comes the word grow, actually. So if we do a green business, then we need to reduce the environmental impact. So this is the logo I designed for Greenbizz Project. The logo illustrates the business work and the development process from the existing black business model to new green business model. There are 3 main elements for the logo design. First is the business ecosystem. Second is the B star. They are all developed by Peter Lindgren. And this is the third, which is the most important, is the Greenbizz Project. So first step, the business ecosystem is translated into a shape, which is like a butterfly. And the B star is also translated into a shape that would be easy for design. And this is the most important process to explain how would a business model transform from the dark business model to green business model from this business ecosystem. So I make these elements into shapes which will be easy to design. But it's exposed. I don't want them to be so far away. I want them to look more holistic. So I try to do something like this. I think it's good, so I give them an outlook. Then it's like a B-star model again. And then I give it a green look, green color. And then I make it more stronger. Finally, I make this Greenbizz logo with a G looking outside. So when you travel from the beginning, you travel from dark to the end green. So that's also explain how a business model could become green through this Greenbizz project process. So That's the how way it look. From the shape, add some green color, become more stronger, and the end the Greenbizz logo. This is one of the most interesting tasks I had in this Greenbizz project. And when I got these tasks, I was very eager to try it. And I want to make something that will make everyone happy here. I made the one and I asked Peter, this is the first version of Greenbizz logo. Do you think is there anything that I need to do for those logo? And no, Peter said, it's very good. So I'm happy, he is happy, then we use this logo. I'm from China. It's a country that has a lot of environmental problems. And I'm a very green person, so I like to make the environment more green. I would prefer to see here first in Denmark how people do their business in practice. And then maybe after a few years or after a period, I will go back to China to use my knowledge in real projects to help people there in China. Or if I can help them with my knowledge learned here, yes. But before that, I would prefer to learn how people are practicing here in Denmark. For example, maybe I could go to companies to see, or talking with different people how they do them really in practice. There are a lot of good ideas, a lot of good thinkings and technologies here that help the environment. I think Danish culture is like that. They care a lot about the environment, and that's what we lack in China.